there is a fluctuation of feelings if you are reading a fiction books in particular. In fiction books, there are dramas based on characters, stories. I'm a crazy fan of Iqbal. Iqbal also derives his themes from Holy Quran. You should revive this habit of reading books. God bless you all.
Reading books is one of the best habits, and it helps to open our minds and we can get new ideas and knowledge. It also helps to improve our pronunciation, communication skills, vocabulary.
Dear friends, good evening. Welcome to Genius Institute Lahore's spoken English platform in the evening session. Dear friends, it's quite unfortunate that we have lost interest in reading books. By doing so, we have lost interest in life. We have lost interest in the beauties of life, actually. By reading books, you undergo sometimes stress and sometimes there's a feeling of happiness. And there is a fluctuation of feelings if you are reading a fiction books in particular. In fiction books, there are dramas based on characters, stories, fiction, short stories, full-fledged novels, sometimes biographies, autobiographies, so on and so forth. Sometimes the writers are writing subjective feelings, and sometimes the things are being narrated objectively. It all depends, actually. The writer implants in the minds of the reader his experiences. He's a successful writer who transfers his knowledge, his set of experiences onto the mind of the readers. So we are blessed to have lots of writers, literary writers, fiction writers, and non-fiction writers. I love reading books, but unfortunately, once again, I don't have time to read books and to understand the treasure house of knowledge which is there inside the books. I have a little library. I started building my libraries right from my childhood, and I have a big library now. But once again, unfortunately, I don't have time to read or go through those books. We are giving most of our time to the social media platforms. And my responsibility, actually being a trainer, I have to spend time by uploading videos, by making videos before uploading them, and thinking about a little bit of the content which I'm going to upload. So my priorities have changed. I have to teach morning and evening students language and IELTS and PTE classes. So I don't have much of the time to invest on reading. If only I have some opportunity or get some time, I'll prefer and I love reading books. I have certain priorities which may have a very different kind of connotations regarding my personality, and you may have a different interpretation of my priorities in life. But I say that if even today I get some time, a kind of chunk of time, I'll prefer reading certain books. I'm a crazy fan of Iqbal. And before reading Iqbal, because Iqbal also derives his themes from Holy Quran, from, if you happen to just go through the reconstruction of religious thoughts in Islam, you'll be surprised by seeing the amount of knowledge and analysis of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. My dear friends, you should revive this habit of reading books if you want to be very close to the writer's psychology and the writer's mindset. He would like to talk to you, but are you ready for the conversation with the writer? Yes. If you are ready, then you are going to have, inshallah, a thundering success in life. May Allah bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. We are going to talk about the habit of reading. He will let me know what is this habit and how this can benefit you in particular and generally everybody whosoever takes interest in reading books. God bless you all. Yes, dear friends, it's your turn to go ahead, please. It's your turn.
Uh, hey everyone, my name.
Yes.
Hey everyone, I am Nimra. I would like to share my views on the habit of reading books and how it can change our life.
Yes, thank
First
you.
of all, I would say that reading books is one of the best habit a person can develop. It opens our mind and help us in imagination and creativity. They help us improve our vocabulary, grammar, punctuations, and communication skills. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a day every year and credit books for much of his.
So it's not possible to go through 50 books a day. He reads 50 books in a
In
year on
a
annual
year
basis. Okay.
and credit books for much of his success. It helps us to build focus and concentration in the world of full distraction. It is a source to develop a neural pathways of our brain. It is a healthy escape from stress and social media overloaded. Malala Yousafzai, the youngest known Nobel Prize winner, was a great writer and a reader. Her reading habits give her the strength to speak up for the girls' education.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your presentation. You have quoted the examples of Malala Yousafzai and Elon Musk in your presentation. This is really important. Yes, please, it's your turn now.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Rimsha, and today the topic of presentation is the power of reading books.
Shabash.
So, reading books is one of the best habit a person can develop.
One of the best habits.
A person can develop, and it helps to open our minds and we can get new ideas and knowledge. It also helps to improve our pronunciation, communication skills, vocabulary. And Bill Gates reads 50 books every year and credit books for much of his success. And reading books helps to improve our imaginations and creativity. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that if we start reading 10 pages each day, we can develop a long life habit of reading.
Oh, lifelong habit of reading books. Very good. Thank you very much. Fantastic. A very good suggestion at the end of the presentation that if we go through 10 books, oh my God, 10 pages a day, they will keep our ignorance away. कहते हैं ना कि an apple a day will keep the doctor away. A 10 pages of reading books a day will keep your ignorance away. Okay. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Today my presentation topic is habit of reading books. The habit of reading book is one of the best habit a person can develop. It opens our mind and give new ideas and knowledge. It improves vocabulary, not only vocabulary and grammar, but also the communication skills. Bill Gates reads 50 books every year, and it's a healthy escape from stress and stressful life. So, starting with 10 pages, a person can easily develop a habit of reading book. In conclusion, I would like to say that reading book is not just a habit or a hobby; it's a path to success and inner peace.
Now it says the first time, please, we'll ask her to give the presentation, please.
Today, my topic of presentation is reading books. Reading book is one of the best habit that a person can develop. It gives you wings to fly high. As by your contribution of reading, you can have a creativity of mindset, and by through your imagination, you can feel the world, and you can see all the feel the species around you, and maybe you feel a kind of humanity in yourself. So reading can develop your thought mind and thought, and by reading you can improve your vocabulary, grammar, and also improve your communication skills.
You get a lot of content by reading
Yes,
books.
by reading books.
A lot of ideas on variety of topics.
And if we talk about Malala Yousafzai, a youngest reader and a writer who won a Nobel Prize, and he was a great reader and writer through his writing, and reading books give her a strength to speak up about girls' education. And if we go through a reading, it gives us a strength to speak about, and it makes us wiser and calmer as well. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. for your presentation. Now, guys, it's going to be your turn now.
Good evening. My name is Shoaib. Today I will be giving my views about book reading. Book reading is a very powerful tool to gain some knowledge and have understanding with the thoughts of your writer you are reading. So if we talk about famous inventor, especially Bill Gates, he reads about 50 books a year, and he accredited his thoughts to the books. Furthermore, if we talk about Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Prize winner, she loves to write and read, and with this habit, she much helped to empower girls, and also Alan Murph quoted that he learned rocket science by reading books.
Oh,
So, in summary, I would say with the reading only 10 pages a day could develop your understanding with book, and it can empower you. It can empower your skill of imagination. It can boost your thoughts and
excellent
etc.
presentation. Thank you very much. Are you ready? Yes, please.
Hi sir, this is Abdul Annan. Today is my presentation topic is the habits of reading books. Reading book is one of the best tool. Is one of the best tool. Is one of the best habit a person can develop. Books books uh, opens our minds and give us new ideas and knowledge. They help us to improve our vocabulary, our pronunciations and communication skills. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I don't believe that books can improve our communication skills. For communication, maybe the writing skill can be developed. As far as speaking is concerned, you will have to join some institution where English is being taught, like Genius Institute Lahore, for improving your communication skill, verbally speaking, or spoken English, if it is the communication skill, the aspect of this communication skill. So, thank you very much indeed, my dear friends, for giving such wonderful thoughts about the topics you spoke about. The topic was very interesting about reading books. The culture of reading books is diminishing. Maybe after 10, 20 years, people won't believe that there used to be the paper books, because e-books would have taken over the paper books. E-books actually would be prominent and would be in vogue. All right. So thank you very much indeed, my dear friends, for giving such comprehensive presentation on this topic.